15-minute bodyweight workout to start your day. Time-starved. Overloaded. Too busy. Have any of these words escaped your mouth in the last day? Being too busy is the number one excuse people make for not working out. And if it's your number one excuse too, I'm here to offer a solution. So many people think they need to spend hours in the gym working out in order for it to count, but that couldn't be farther from the truth. If you are working at a high intensity, you can get a great workout in at home quickly. And if you do it first thing in the morning, nothing can get in your way. This is a 15-minute, no equipment, no fuss morning workout you can do with just your body weight. I'm talking sweat dripping, calories burning, muscles toning, all that good stuff. If you can set your alarm just 15 minutes earlier, you can get an effective and energizing workout before anything else gets in your way. You'll be so ready to rock your schedule that you maybe won't even need that second cup of coffee. Start by moving your body through a few stretches that feel good to you after waking up. Maybe bend your knees and reach for your toes, then reach up to the sky a few times or gently twist at the waist from side to side. Just get the kinks out. Proceed through the series of exercises listed for 1 minute each. Once finished, go back to the top of the list and repeat one more time with more intensity now that you are definitely awake. Stretch a little again at the end, and in less than 15 minutes from start to finish you have your workout done for the day. Now go get that cup of coffee you so deserve. Basic squat. A. Stand tall with your feet hip distance apart. Your hips, knees, and toes should all be facing forward. B. Bend your knees and extend your buttocks backward as if you are going to sit back into a chair. Make sure that you keep your knees behind your toes and your weight in your heels. Rise back up and repeat. Perform for 1 minute. Jump rope. A. Start with feet hip distance apart and arms stretched to the sides like you're holding a jump rope with your hands. B. Circle your hands like you're swinging a jump rope and hop over it to jump rope in place. Jump for 1 minute. Downward dog push-ups. A. Begin with your hands and feet shoulder width apart, and your hips raised so that your body forms an inverted V. B. Lower your hips to a push-up position. When your hips are parallel with the floor, perform a push-up. When you finish the push-up, raise your hips back up the position where they began so your body once again forms an inverted V. Perform for 1 minute. Plank to chair squat. A. Start in a plank position with arms and legs long, hands shoulder distance apart. B. Walk or jump both feet outside your hands, coming into a low squat like you're sitting back into a chair, pressing your weight back onto your heels. Reach arms above the head and keeping the back straight and chest lifted. Bring hands to floor to return to start. Perform for 1 minute. Sprinter sit-up. A. Start seated with knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Keeping core engaged, lean torso back to a 45-degree angle from floor and extend right leg 2 inches off floor. B. Explosively pull torso back to upright position while pulling right knee toward chest. The motion looks somewhat like you're sprinting. Repeat on the other side. Perform for 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video. For more informative videos, please subscribe and like our channel. Press the bell icon for timely information.